What's Super Duolingo? How does it cost? Super Duolingo is a premium addition to the Duolingo experience. Duolingo is a popular app that helps you learn a new language in a fun and effective way. Super Duolingo offers you some extra benefits, such as no ads, learn without interruptions, unlimited hearts, make as many mistakes as you want without losing hearts, personalized practice, review your mistakes and improve your skills, unlimited legendary, try the hardest challenges without spending gems. Super Duolingo has different plans and prices depending on your needs. You can choose from Super for individual learners who want to enjoy all the benefits of Super Duolingo. It costs $9.99 per month or $79.99 per year. Super Family, for groups of up to 6 people who want to share all the benefits of Super Duolingo at a discounted price. It costs $14.99 per month or $119.99 per year. You can try Super Duolingo for free for 14 days and cancel anytime if you are not satisfied. You can sign up for Super Duolingo on the app or on the website. Tip: how to choose Super Duo subscription. To choose a Super Duolingo subscription, you should first consider your language learning goals and budget. Super Duolingo offers 2 subscription plans, monthly $6.99 per month annual $79.99 per year, equivalent to $6.67 per month. The annual subscription is the better value, as it saves you 15% over the monthly subscription. However, if you are not sure if you will commit to using Super Duolingo for a full year, the monthly subscription may be a better option for you. Once you have decided on a subscription plan, you need to choose between the individual and family plans. Individual $6.99 per month or $79.99 per year family $9.99 per month or $119.99 per year. The family plan allows you to share your subscription with up to 5 other members of your family. This is a great option if you are learning a language with your spouse, children, or other family members. If you are only learning a language yourself, the individual plan is the better option for you. Once you have chosen a subscription plan and plan type, you can sign up for Super Duolingo on the Duolingo website or app. Here are some additional things to consider when choosing a Super Duolingo subscription. How often do you use Duolingo? If you use Duolingo regularly, the Super Duolingo subscription is a great way to get the most out of the app. Super Duolingo offers features such as unlimited hearts, streak repair, and ad-free lessons. How serious are you about learning a language? If you are serious about learning a language, the Super Duolingo subscription can help you to reach your goals faster. Super Duolingo offers features such as personalized learning plans, advanced grammar lessons, and offline access to lessons. What is your budget? The Super Duolingo subscription is a monthly or annual commitment. Make sure that you can afford the subscription before you sign up. Learn more. 1. Duolingo. https://www.duolingo.com/super. 2. Duolingo Family Plan, go further in your learning. https://www.duolingo.com/family. 3. What is Super Duolingo? Duolingo Help Center. https://support.duolingo.com hc/n-a/article/1150040680438 what- is Super Duolingo